All right. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another little live stream. If you're new to this channel, what we do here in the morning is we do a nice little price action review, see what's going on in the market, see what we did overnight, outline a little something that we can do into the New York session, or what can happen in the New York session, and then we take a look at some cryptos of what we've outlined at night or the day prior, and then see what can happen going into the further New York session. Oh, look at that sweep right there on Popcat. That's pretty solid. What up, world? Long time no see, brother. How you doing? All right, NQ right now. So we have this 15-minute fair value gap right here. So far it is rejecting, looking for a possible retrace into just the OTE, maybe tap into this fair value gap. That wouldn't be too bad. I think that'd be pretty solid. I mean, on the hourly rate, we're still looking right there. This is a nice little OB right here. So it can possibly just keep on retesting it. It can just retest it here and then continue up. But I would love to see, yeah, I bet, dude. Summer's been fucking something else. But in terms of OTE and where buyers are more likely to step in, it will be around this fair value gap. If we are looking for some more upside, and look at that. So we took some nice shorts on that. So let's see if they can deliver that to us. You can also, you can also look at the big range over here. You can take into account the fact that we have this range right there, right? So they can't come down past this liquidity right there, past that previous hourly low. But they don't technically have to, right? They don't have to come down way below it. It's just whether or not they want to displace. We're kind of playing those small little fruits. So two scenarios, right? They can either bounce it right there upon the sweep of that liquidity. You can take that and then continue to the upside from here, as we have that previous week high right there, this previous day high level up above us. We also got what else do we have over here? We have this hourly order block, right? So hourly order block is looking decent. 4 hour still looking to continue up as long as we don't close below this on that 4 hour. So below this 23.041 on the 4 hour. And there we go. We just got filled on that. That's cool. So as long as we don't close below this, we should be fine. If we close below that, we're going to look for a rising 3 on that 4 hour. Let's see if they want to give us longs out of this over here. So let me line this. So if we close below the so close below that 23.041, 23.04. So we can possibly expect so we can expect the next 4 hour to see some downside in so previous day equal. Let's see. So yeah, seen a nice little reaction out of that on the 4 or on the 5 minute, the hourly. Let's see if they want to give us an outside hour from here. We did technically have a CISD. Let's see. Let's see what they want to do from here. But that is that's pretty much what we were seeing on NQ, right? So we have we have some possibility for continuation to the upside, right? They can expand this 4-hour candle, come sweep this top. Watch out for that previous day high. See what we do there. If we displace it, then obviously continuation up. If we don't displace it, then look for some downside. Right now we had, Asia session took out both sides. We have another possibility for an S&D day. So similar thing that we did yesterday, right? So London took out both sides of Asia session. So London took the high and the low of this Asian session. We started pumping up. We took out that previous day high and we reversed right back down to that move. So look out for either a similar thing or this bigger range on the hourly, right? So 705 would be pretty good if they come back and retest this maybe right here. Few equal lows sitting right there. A few more liquidities to the downside, right, that we were seeing. The only thing to the upside that we have is going to be that previous day high. But we are also, now that we have swept that previous weekly high, can entertain the idea of a outside week, right? You know, it doesn't have to happen, but we can entertain the idea, right? If they really want to just make this a solid week, previous week low is going to be all the way down here. And we have a nice little liquidity right there. A few of those liquidities right here at 22,481. Right, that's considering they want to just absolutely demolish the market and send it down 750 points. Or tickles, whatever, ticks, points, whatever. On Crypto Ripto, so far, Popcat gave us a nice little pop. Jasmy's finally breaking out to the upside. Let's see what we got. Soul Jeep. Arc LPT near. Uni. Shiba C, nice little super. ACX. CRV Popcat. Yeah, Popcat's been Butte Alpha. Popcat needs to see a continuation above this. So 3452. We are foregoing reducing ZRX, 70 Morpheus, XL Link, ZGX Riv 8. We did get into some plays last night. I got into some Ape possibly, but Ape can look for a retrace. So that's what I'm gonna leave you guys with right there. Here's our Ape possible, right? So we retrace into this right there. Let's take a look over here. So we are so far inside, right? So we got to sweep externals before we come down to internals, technically. But we can take a look over here at this range OTE, right? So given that price retrace into that right there, we can start looking probably into over here. So previous day equal. So that previous day maybe come in, tap the 705, 786, can give us a nice upside run. Let's take a again. There's some Bitcoin. Look at that. Qs look like they want to keep on probably selling. Yeah, this was something. That was a funny one. Trump all-time highs. Oh my god, wait, hold up. I gotta fucking take a look at that world. Bitcoin's flagging out right now. It's Tuesday high. Hold up. Oh, get out of here. Trump is fucking... Oh, my God. I gotta tell Mr. Haste about this shit. He's catching some nice streams right now. Trump, okay. Okay, but you might be onto something, world. You might be onto fucking something, dude. might have to put this one on the fucking watch. I don't think you can perp this one on Bluefin, can you? Let me see. Stick Let's take a look here. Oh, yes, you freaking can. Hourly is consolidating, doesn't look terrible. If you let's see. Then you can leverage the fuck out of Trump. Trump new all-time highs would be insane, brother. If Trump came, I mean, even if they wanted to pump this up and take some liquidities up top, dude, that'd be crazy. But I don't know if they. I don't know. Hey, this is just such a fucking shit coin. This is the shit coin of all fucking shit coins, honestly. INJ's looking decent. It could get it if it stays above that previous day high. Qs, yeah. So as we keep holding this and maybe this fair value gap, we can see some upside. The fact that we displaced this right there, it's not looking the best. So let's see if they either give us this deep OTE on the 4-hour/hourly time frame, or if they want to just completely reverse this thing, right? If they displace this right there, we can look for a retrace into OTE. So something like if they come down over here and don't want to come back up, then possibly something like that. If they don't want to bounce this right here, possibly like this and into previous day low, right? 22,970 is still in play. That's this level right here. That's that Sunday open. So as long as they keep holding above that, we're gonna keep seeing upside. If they displace below that, we are gonna continue to the downside on our things. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Now we make these short and sweet in the morning. Just a quick little outline of price action. On that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. That's the website. That's the go-to website if you're looking to learn a little bit more about stocks, if you're looking to learn a little bit more about futures and crypto. If you guys want to come trade with us, check out that website. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a nice little link that takes you to our YouTube playlist. That's all the previous live streams that we have done in the past. Anything and everything on there, paper traders related. Make sure you guys go check that out. Also, make sure you check out at Blowfin. Make sure you guys use the code Eddie or code Hazed whenever you sign up, and that'll give you a nice little initial deposit bonus. Make sure you check out at Hazed Beats on Twitter. Phenomenal guy. Outlines those trades like fucking nothing. Draws a little squiggly line and they follow to a T. He uses this little tool and he says, okay, though we can go like this and like that and like this, right? So make sure you guys go check him out. Phenomenal guy. Absolutely love him. Such a great trader. Make sure you guys also follow at the Paper Traders. That's the best way to stay connected with us and see what we are up to and see what's going on inside our community. Other than that, yeah, make sure you guys give me a follow. Once we get me to 1,000 followers, we're going to do a giveaway for a lifetime membership of the Paper Traders Discord. Make sure you give Hayes the follow, 3,000 followers in his account, and we are going to do another giveaway for that. For me, you just have to retweet that first post that you see on my page that's pinned right there. But on the daily, we're posting outlines for crypto, for stocks, anything and everything that we see and touch. On that, thank you guys, and we will see you later tonight. Peace out.